What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Minkfish Sandwich.
And welcome to the Minkfish Sandwich Skateboarding Show, where we provide lessons, tips, tutorials, and insights on skateboarding and skateboard-related topics. Video is about teaching or learning as an adult skater, being brand new, getting on a skateboard. The most difficult thing about learning on a skateboard is you gotta throw everything out when it comes to knowledge about skateboards, about what you think, and just start thinking anew. Way that your shoulders, your hips, your feet, everything, your anatomy of your body, how it's like all put together, is all angular and not forward when it comes on a skateboard.
Square. Put the pivot here and rock it till it's nice and level. Looks like we have about 37 degrees.
Just think of it, you're going sideways on a skateboard. Your body's facing sideways. As soon as you throw your shoulder, your board turns. Into my understanding that when you first get on the skateboard, that you think it's all toes, like you get stand on it so hard.
Wait a minute.
And the thing that really helped me to even push on the skateboard, now that I have to recall back those emotions and feelings I felt as a child, and conjure them up for the adult era of relearning or teaching somebody a skateboarding trick.
Emotional damage!
Is that you're not on a skateboard that's on the ground. If the ground is your normal plane and you put a skateboard on it, then the skateboard becomes the ground. This tip itself helped me out a lot because it showed me that, the understanding of how your physiology works are very intricate. Like it's two polar opposites if you don't believe that the skateboard is now the new ground and the ground is just a rolling surface. Thing is consistency and sticking with it. Like you want your body to remember it through memory and muscle memory, but it does not take you falling in order to learn skateboarding. We're not trying to hurt ourselves when it comes to skateboarding. We're more like trying to be the ballerinas or the samurai, or more like the ninjas of skateboarding, because they're light, delicate, and then they stimulate to the culture in order to get what they need done. Our rolling ninjas on 4 wheels with 4 bolts. Beat yourself up if you cannot get skateboarding the first month, the first couple weeks, the first days. Tony Hawk and all of them took a lot of practice to get to where they're at. Give up, this is just a short video to encourage people to skate. I will do some more tutorial videos. Maybe start out from the basics, pushing, rolling, turning, all the way up to the ollie, hippie jumps, etc. Follow your journey along with me, and we'll have to get you to where you would like to be. But we need to know those foundations because we control the board and we make the board do what we want it to do. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on the video.
What the heck?